they're looking towards finding some kind of dating evidence. They clearly were used by the Inca. Whether they go back much further is currently under investigation. But these are seen as entrances into the underworld, the lower world that existed within Pachamama, within Mother Earth itself. And these go for miles. They go probably beyond even the Coricancha. Apparently there are 13 different entrances. There are multiple levels. And also there is actually constructed chambers down there, and these are currently now being excavated, and we're going to get exciting news within the next few months, but we won't know the full story for a matter of years, possibly we're told 8. So it's a very, very exciting prospect, and as the archaeologist has said himself, what they find here is going to affect the world of archaeology. Okay, right, just come out of the caves here at Sacsayhuamán. The archaeologist has shown us what's down there. Now he says that the walls are actually carved. They found various ceramics down there. They've also found various stone tools, which they think are Inca, but they cannot be certain as yet. They've not found any animals, like snakes or birds or something like that, but they expect to find them. He also showed me that there's a second entrance going down to a deeper level, but unfortunately at the moment that is full of water. So access is very, very difficult. But it's incredible because obviously for the Incas and obviously presumably the peoples before that, this was seen as an entrance into the underworld, just like what we have at Giza, just like the cave underworld that we found in 2008. We're talking about exactly the same type of practices. The lower world, the middle world in which we live, and the upper world up there. And we've just come out of the underworld.